Build your brand with each click. Branding links can drive more significant click-through rates than a non-branded one, inviting more attention towards your brand and its content. URL shortener not only attract eyeballs of your audiences, but it also helps you to inspire trust among your current and future customers, boost results with the insights that help you make better decisions, and on top of that, having the ability to fully customize your links through GoFounders platform gives you the power to judge your audience behavior. Facing challenges using long URLs? Trim URL fixes this issue in a single click within seconds. Make email-friendly links. Use on blogs, instant messages, online publications, or ad campaigns. The Trim URL helps to create a small URL and make links shorter and more manageable. Short and precise URLs tend to look prettier when shared on social media. Your own URL shortener for click-worthy links. Sharing your content on social media or across various other channels can help you drive traffic to your website. Users can profit from using link shorteners before sharing their content on multiple networks. OnPassive Trim URL tool provides analytics so that you can track your link clicks, whether it's the channel the click was made through or at what time the click was made. With this, you can get a definite insight into the post that has more likes and is capable of gathering a broad audience. Using the URL shorteners with some of the other OnPassive reporting tools makes your digital marketing more powerful based on the statistics. Whether you attach your link to an email, a social media post, or a paid advertising campaign, you would want to ensure that the audience clicks on it. Long URLs look dull and clumsy, and therefore the audiences might bounce even before clicking on the link. With the help of custom short URLs, the target post receives acceptance and has more possibilities of being clicked on. Using a custom URL shortener is like providing a much-needed makeover to your link. The advantages of which spread far beyond just aesthetics. Fortunately, for us, there is an OnPassive URL shortener available for both businesses and individuals that work on a larger scale. It's zero risk and one of the best ones available. Stand out above the bubble with no limits. Top 10 reasons to use. 1. Easy to use, easier to share. 2. Beautify and glorify. 3. Create multiple URLs with one click. 4. Brand yourself on branded sites. 5. Get better engagement results. 6. Link monitoring. 7. Link analytics and dashboard. 8. Earn trust of your audience. 9. Eliminate site block warning. 10. Attract more traffic on your site. A Bill Must production.